Learning more after yesterday, Indiana Attorney General Rokita announced he's launching 2 new investigations in Fort Wayne.
One into possible labor trafficking, another into whether local policies violate the state's anti-sanctuary laws. Several local groups were called out at his press conference yesterday, and tonight, Wayne 15's Mia Pettigrew has their response.
Attorney General Rokita's office has issued civil investigative demands as part of a state review into labor trafficking and anti-sanctuary law compliance. Catholic Charities, located here at the Diocese of Fort Wayne, is among the groups responding to the news.
It's a heinous crime that has become far too common since former President Joe Biden threw open our southern borders 4 or 5 years ago.
Subpoenas were issued on Wednesday, and Rokita says his office is now demanding records from several Fort Wayne organizations, all part of 2 investigations tied to immigration and labor exploitation.
We have now sent investigative demands to Amani Family Services, Catholic Charities of Fort Wayne, and Amazon.
Catholic Charities confirms it received that CID, saying, quote, "Our team is reviewing that request and condemns any person or organization involved in any form of trafficking." They add that they look forward to responding to the CID and working with the Attorney General's office. Amani Family Services also responded, saying, "We are gravely concerned with issues related to labor trafficking, and we are complying with the Attorney General's office and will remain committed to our mission."
The city of Fort Wayne recently was designated a certified welcoming city by a national nonprofit group called Welcoming America,
which he says suggests that Fort Wayne may have policies that's not consistent with the state's anti-sanctuary laws. But officials are pushing back, saying that Fort Wayne is not a sanctuary city and has never been one. They also note the city does not hold the certified welcoming label that's been referenced in recent claims. That designation, they say, belongs to Allen County. County officials confirmed they earned a 1-star welcoming certification earlier this summer, but emphasized the program doesn't require or encourage any policies that shield people living in the country illegally. The nonprofit behind the certification also weighed in, saying the program is focused on measuring local inclusion efforts and is not tied to sanctuary status. Rokita says his office is still collecting information and isn't making accusations at this stage.
If we do find some things that we believe are non-compliance, we always try to work it out. If that fails, we'll be in court.
He adds that cooperation is the goal, but if that breaks down, legal action is on the table. Reporting in Fort Wayne, Mia Pettigrew, Wayne 15 News.